Hello guys, this is my 68th video in React series. In our previous video, we have made this simple project, simple responsive website, and also we have seen how to handle error pages. Now when I click on home, you can see I'll be redirected to home. When I click on about, I'll be redirected to about. When I click on contact, I'll be redirected to contact, and inside URL also this contact will be present. If other than contact, if I just give something here, if I just add something, and now you can see I'll be redirected to 404 page not found, because this page is not available inside my project, so I'll be getting this error. You can fix this one. You can just give some basic stylings and you can bring the footer down. I don't want to do this one because I don't want to waste your time in CSS part. You can just give the height to the container, or you can just use position properties and bring the footer down. Now once we have seen this, we have just created this one, and also we have seen how to handle this error page. Now in this tutorial, we are going to learn about useParam hook. We have seen about React hooks, that is use effect we have seen, use state we have seen. Now in this we are going to learn about React router hooks, that is nothing but the first hook, useParam hook. So let's understand what is that one. Now useParam hook is going to return the data from the URL. Whatever data is present inside this URL, that data it is going to return. It is just going to return an object with key value paste. We are just going to see an example. Now inside my user, I just want to show your name. So I should be getting the message as welcome your name or hello your name. Something like that. We are just going to see an example of useParam hook. Param stands for parameters. We are just passing the parameters and we are getting the output. Now if you have not seen this one, you can just refer the previous videos so that you will understand this one, how to handle this error page and how to create this simple website using Bootstrap and also using the concept of React Router DOM. Now once we are done with this, now inside app.js, here I am just going to create one root. I'll just copy the same thing. Now for this, I am just going to give the exact property, and also I am just going to give the path. I'll just create one component. I'll just give my component name as sign in. I'll save this, and here also I'm just going to change. I'll just write here sign in. Now inside this components folder, I'm just going to create one file. I'll just give my file name as signin.js. Now inside this file, first I'll be writing this basic boilerplate, and then we are going to see how to get that data. Now here I'll just write one h1. I'll just write here I am sign in. I am sign in page. I'll just come here. Sign in is not defined because here I have exported this one. So once I export, wherever I am using this one, I have to import. I'll just copy this one. Now here I have to import that. So I'm just going to write that one. I'll just paste, and here also I'm just going to paste. Now here, even after giving sign in here, I'm getting this 404 page not found. Because you can see here I am having this sign in, and before that I am having this error. So whatever you are having components, if components are present, that should be above, and if you are having some error pages or if you are giving this error page, that should be at the bottom. Now here I am just going to bring this down. I'll save this. Now if I show you the output, now inside my URL I am having this. Now you can see I got this output, I am sign in page. This is how we are going to use this one. Now suppose I'll just give one slash, and I just want to welcome that whatever user is signing in, that particular username I want to show. So as of now, I'll just create one button here, sign in button. So inside navbar.js, below this, I'll just copy this one entire thing, and here I'm going to paste. Now for this, I'll just write here sign in, and from here I'll just give here btn, and also I'm just going to give here btn primary. I'll save this. I'll just refresh this one. Now you can see I'm having one button. I'll just change this one. I'll just write here sign in. Sign in, and also I'm just going to remove this active class name. I'll save this, and now if I just refresh this one, now here I'll be having one button sign in. Now whenever I click on this, I'll be redirected to sign in. Now when I click on home, I am inside home. Now when I click on sign in, you can see I will be redirected to sign in. Now inside this, we are just going to display the data from the URL. So for that, we are just going to use useParams hook. Before that, we are just going to see the basic example now. Now here, if you want to get the data from the parameter, wherever we are having this root, I'll just come to app.js. Now inside this, we are having this root, and here we have given the path. Now here I'll just write this forward slash. You just have to write here colon. I'll just write here username. Okay, you have to write slash and colon and username. Okay, once you give this one, I'll just come to sign in. Now inside this, I'm just going to pass one parameter. Let me just write here data. Now here inside this, I'll just remove this one, and here I'll just write here hello. Inside this, I'm just going to write this data, whatever parameter I have passed. You just have to write here dot params. Okay, that is nothing but parameter, and whatever parameter I have passed here, I have passed here username. I'll copy this one, and here I'm just going to paste that one. Okay, username, whatever I have copied, I'm just pasting that one here. I'll come here. Now you can see I'll be getting this 404 page not found even if I am inside it sign in, because I have given some content here. So I'll just write here forward slash, and here I'm just going to write my name. As soon as I click on enter, you can see here I'll be getting this cannot read properties of undefined reading params. So to get that one, instead of this, let me just write here match. I'll copy this, and here also I'm just going to paste that one. I'll save this. Now if I refresh this, now you can see whatever data I am having inside this URL, that data I am getting here. Okay, that is nothing but hello Khanam. For this, I'll just give one class. I'll be writing class name. I'll just write here text center. I'll save this, and now you can see my text will come in the middle. I'll just refresh once. Now my text has come in the middle. And also for this, I'm just going to give some padding. Padding on top and bottom, I'll just give here 4. Now if I refresh this one, now here I have some padding for this H1. Now instead of this, if I just give here Ria, I'll enter. Now you can see I'll be getting the output as hello Ria. Again, if I just give some other name, I'll just write here Seema. Now I'll be getting the output as hello Seema. Okay, now here we have not used useParams. Okay, this is just the basic example. We are just using this match.params, and we are getting whatever data we are having inside URL by passing like this. Okay, colon and this username. Now we are just going to use useParams hook. I'll just import that one. Okay, now this is nothing but this is the hook of React router DOM. Okay, inside React we have already seen about use effect, use state, but this use params, use history, use location, everything comes under React router DOM. So here I'm just going to import that one. So you just have to write here use params. Okay, use params from React router. Okay, you can either write like this or you can either write React router DOM. Okay, both will give the same output. I'll just write here React router DOM so that you will not get confused. Now from here I'm just going to remove this. I don't need this one. Now below this I'm just going to create that one. I'll just write here const, and here I'm just going to write here username. Whatever data I have passed here inside this route, I'm just passing it as an object, and here I'll just write here use params. I'll just close this one. We just have to write like that, and instead of writing this entire thing match params, this entire thing, I'll just remove this, and instead of that, whatever we have written here, I'm just going to pass that one here. I'll save this. Now you can see I'll be getting the output hello Seema. I'll just give one space here. I'll just come here, I'll give one space. I'll save this, and now if I just refresh this one, I'll be getting the output as hello Seema. Instead of this, if I just give here my name Khanam, enter, you can see hello Khanam. Okay, this is how we are going to use params hooks, and we are going to get the data whatever is displayed inside URL that we are going to get. I'll just come to contact. I'll come to sign in. I am redirected to sign in, but page is not found because we have not passed any data yet. Now here let me just write here Satish. Enter. Now you can see I'll be getting hello Satish. Okay, this is how it is going to work. Suppose if you want after Satish, if you just want to add here Sharma, I'll enter. Now you can see I'll be getting 404 page not found, because for this we have not passed any content here. Now here inside app.js, I'll just separate using forward slash, and here I'm just going to write here, let me write L name, that is the username, and that is the, okay, let me write first name. This will be the username and this will be the first name. Now inside this signin.js, I just have to pass like this. I'll just write here F name, and here I'll just write here hello Satish, and your, I'll just write here and your first name. First name is, and inside this curly braces I'm just going to pass that one. I'll save this. Now you can see I'll be getting hello Satish, and your first name is Sharma, because here I have just given here Sharma. If I just give the full name as Satish Sharma, and first name I'm just going to give here Satish, enter. Now you can see hello Satish Sharma and your first name is Satish. If I just give here Ramesh Mehta slash and your first name is Ramesh, I'll enter. Now you can see I'll be getting hello Ramesh Mehta and your first name is Ramesh. Okay, this is how it is going to work. We are just going to get the data from the URL and we are going to display that data. Okay, if user is login, for that particular user that name will be displayed. Okay, this is all about useParam hook. It is just going to return an object in key value pairs. useParam hook belongs to React Router DOM hooks. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. In our next tutorial, we are going to see about useLocation hook. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.